Hi, this is Jake from Optimus Futures, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to link windows on the Optimus Flow trading platform. Now, before I do get started here, I would like to mention that if you're interested in trying out the demo of Optimus Flow or just want to see our sign up page, you're more than welcome to head down in the description below, and the first link there will bring you to the sign up page for Optimus Flow. It'll also be popping up in the top right hand corner of your screen just about now. You should see a little eye icon. Click on that icon, and the first link within that bar there will bring you to the demo sign up page. Now that we got that out of the way, let's go ahead and show you how to link windows on Optimus Flow. So I don't want to give you an exact reason for why you would link windows, but essentially it comes down to efficiency. Now, if you're only trading one contract, this may not be extremely helpful for you, but if you're going to go ahead and trade multiple instruments at the same time, linking will essentially create efficiency for you. So when you change one instrument on one window, any other window linked to that will essentially change as well. So now that we understand a little bit about what linking is, let's go ahead and show you how to do it. So first, you're going to want to start with your first window. The instrument shouldn't matter here, but what we need to focus on is the hamburger icon. This is the menu icon in the top left-hand corner here. It's the 3 horizontal lines. When you click on that, you'll see the first option here is to create a link. Now, the color doesn't matter. You can start with whatever you like. We'll start with red since that is the first color option here. When we click on red, you'll notice my chart here. The title of my chart turns red as well. Now from here, the next window really just comes down to personal preference. So for example, we could open up another chart. All we need to do now is go ahead, click on the link, and then make this red as well. And now our charts are linked. So whatever we do, whatever symbol we apply to one chart or one window will apply to the other. Just so you can see, and you may want to keep an eye on both. So I'll have this one in the front ground here, and you could see the contract in the background on the other one. Let's say, for example, I want to open up the E-mini S&P 500. I scroll through my symbol finder, double click on ES, and there you have it. We now have an ES chart, and as you can see, I didn't have to go and change each instrument on each window here. All I needed to do was change it on one, and since we're linked, it automatically applies to the other. So when you're using charts, this may be helpful if, let's say, for example, you view multiple time frames at the same time. On those same time frames, you also like to view different instruments. So maybe you want to have a 5-minute, a 10-minute, and a 15-minute chart. You could essentially link each chart to a different link, or you could all essentially create them on one link, have one chart for each time frame, and that way when you go ahead and change your instrument, it'll change on every single link at the same time. So as long as one chart, the original chart, is linked to something, everything following that link will also apply. Now, it does not only apply to charts. You can do this for a DOM as well. You could do this for pretty much order entry. Anything that associates the symbol finder with it, it'll essentially link. So just to give you an example here, I'm going to close this out. Let's open up a DOM. See, my DOM, it just has the basic orange color here. But if I left click on the hamburger button, go to link, and then we'll go to red, you'll see I'm on the ES. Let's go ahead, change it to something different. How about we change it to 10-year futures? Find our contract here. Let's get through the spreads. Click on the front month, and there you have it. It's going to take a second for my chart to load there, but there we have it. We have the 10-year and then the 10-year. So as you can see, this pretty much just creates ease of access for you. And again, it may not be for everybody, but if you are trading with multiple instruments at the same time, this is definitely going to be much more efficient for you. So again, you can pretty much do this with any window throughout the platform that supports linking or that supports the symbol finder feature here. And again, it doesn't really matter what color you use as long as the colors are matching. So yellow, let's just open up something else here just so we know. Let's do another DOM. Let's make this yellow as well. And as you can see, it automatically just snapped right to the 10-year. I can go ahead, change it on this one now. Let's do some gold. choose the front month of gold or whatever contract trading date you want. Double click, and now we're both on gold. So again, I don't want to give you an exact reason for why you might use this or tell you to use it for this purpose. It honestly comes down to personal preference and customization. But it is a really unique and convenient feature for those of you that are trading multiple instruments at the same time. So that's something you might want to consider. But that's going to wrap it up for this video. Just a quick feature, just demonstrating and describing this feature and how it can be used. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more Optimus Flow content, more podcasts, trading tips, much more. Again, if you're interested in signing up for the demo, you can head down into the description below or use the YouTube cards, which is the eye icon in the top right-hand corner of your screen, to sign up for the demo. As always, thanks for watching and have a great day.